Good morning students. Today we will be talking about like decimals and unlike decimals. So first we will see what is the definition of like decimals and what are called unlike decimals. So the decimal with the equal number of digits to the right of decimal points are called like decimals. Some examples I have written here. You can see the number of digits after the decimal point in each of the number is same, so that's why it is called like decimal. Now what are called unlike decimals? Decimals with unequal number of digits to the right of the decimal points are called unlike decimals. I have written some examples of unlike decimals. You can see after the decimal points number of digits are different. So you can understand what are like decimals and unlike decimals. Now we will see some examples of like decimals and unlike decimals. Like I am writing a decimal number, that is 3.73, and another number is 4.586. If you want to find out is these numbers are like decimals or unlike decimals, so what we need to do, we have to check the number of digits after the decimal point. Here you can see how many digits are there after the decimal point. There are 2 digits. Here how many digits are there after the decimal point? 1, 2, 3. So here are 3. So it is unlike decimals because the number of digits after the decimal point are unequal. Now if I ask you like 4.03 and 5.75, right? In these numbers we have to count the number of digits after the decimal point. Here you can see there are 2 digits after the decimal point. Here are also 2 digits after the decimal point. So it will be a like decimal. Here is one more interesting thing. We can convert any unlike decimals as a like decimal also. Like I am writing a set of decimal numbers here. Like first number is 1.17. Another number is 5.2. Next number is 2.358. And another number is 4.08. Now we have to convert this set of decimals into like decimals. Okay. Now this is unlike decimals. You can see how we are saying this. This is unlike decimal because the number of digits after the decimal points are different. So we have to make it equal number of digits in each number. So we will count the largest number of digits after the decimal. So here is maximum number of digit is 3. So we will make after the decimal in each number we will make 3 digits after the decimal by putting a 0. Like the maximum number of digits are 3. So we will be making each decimal digits after the decimal point equals to 3. So here I have to put zeros. Okay, so I will be putting zeros. Here are 2 digits after the decimal, so we will be putting 1 0 to make it equal to 3. Now here how many zeros I have to add? Yes, here is only 1 digit after decimal, so I have to put 2 zeros to make it equal to 3. Here is already 3, so no need to change. Here we can see there are 2 digits after the decimal point. So we can add 1 0 to make it equal to 3. Now after adding the zeros in the decimal numbers, we can see the number of digits after the decimal points are equal, that is 3. So here we have converted these unlike decimals as like decimals. Now let us see another example. Like I am writing an example 1.4, 2.73 and 3.5. Now these are like decimals or unlike decimals? Yes, these are unlike decimals because the number of digits after the decimal points are different. The maximum number of digits after the decimal points are 2. So we will make 2 digits after the decimal point in each of the number. Okay. Here we can see here is only 1 digit after the decimal point. So make it equal to 2. We have to add 1 0. So I will be putting 1 0 here. Now here is already 2 digits. And in the last one here are 1 digit. So we will make it equal to 2 digits by adding 1 0 here. So now these unlike decimals now converted into like decimals. So this is how you can convert any unlike decimals into like decimals.